Now, what are the changes which take place during puberty or the beginning of adolescence? The first change which takes place in every adolescent is the increase in height. It is the most conspicuous change during the puberty, and in this, the height of an adolescent suddenly starts growing. So that is why this period is considered to be important. At this time, the teenagers become active, and if they are physically active, then their height grows, height picks up. They are long bones which start developing the height of a teenage. Activity 10.1, there is a chart which gives the average rate of growth in height of boys and girls. The figure in columns 2 and 3 are given, and the percentage of height a person reaches is given. So what does this tell you? It shows you that what is the height which a person will achieve. Now in this table, age in years is given: 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 11 years, and in front of the years the percentage of full height is given. That means in boys, when they are 8 years of age, then their height is 72% of the total height which they will acquire. Now, or if you are in class 8, then you must be 12 or 13 years old. So if whatever is your height now at present, then your height is 84% of the height, which if you are a 12-year-old boy, if we mark the 12-year-old and see as a child who is in 8th class and he is a boy, then your height at present is 84% of the total height. You can calculate your height, measure your height, and according to that you can calculate that your height at present is 84% of the height which will be in future. The girls are 91%. That means whatever is your height today is 91% of the height which you will acquire in future. If your age is 13, then according to 13, the height is 88% in boys and girls is 95%. So this means the children of 13 years of age, their height will be 88% at present. Girls will be 95% of the height at present. So your height will become whatever it is depending upon whatever is your height at present. Now there is a formula here, you can calculate the full height in centimeter. Example is given: a boy who is 9 years old and 120 centimeter tall today at present, then you put that height 120 in the formula. The formula is the present height, whatever is your present height, divided by a percentage of full height at this age as given in the chart and multiply by 100. So a boy 9 years old and 120 centimeter divided by 75. 75 means his height is 75% of his full height which he will acquire. So if whatever from the table, whatever is your height, divide by the percentage which is given and multiply by 100, it will tell you that in future you will be 160 centimeter tall. So this boy who is 9 years old and his height today is 120 centimeter, so in future his height will increase. So at present his height is 75% of the total height. Put it in the formula. So 120 divided by 75 and multiply by 100 means in future the boy will roughly be 160 centimeter tall. So you can all calculate your height by checking your age and check the height which you are having. You can measure it, and when you check it, then put that value here in this formula and you will be able to predict that your height will be what in future.